up, fam? It's Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just Nesians in general. So for today, welcome to Throwback Thursdays. So this is our Throwback Thursdays where we sort of dedicate, you know, doing reactions, this section of reactions to old school artists, you know, that sort of paved the way for our artists now. Yeah, and only poly artists. So for today, shout out to Kingston for requesting Kulcha like a while back. Kulcha is a Sydney-based band. I believe they do R&B, and there's 4 of them, and they've composed of Māori and Samoan ancestry. So yeah, I'm pretty keen to check them out. I haven't heard of any of their songs before. We've never heard of them before, so it's cool hearing that there was a big R&B group, you know, from Australia, well, Sydney in general. So yeah, it'll be different.
So the last 2 songs that we've done, we knew a bit about them, but this one, we don't know much.
Yeah, so. Never. But we're so keen, like I'm honestly keen to check it out. Out
of respect for the old school.
Yeah, Aussie old school artists. So for today we're wearing Stunner No Limits, guys. Mama B's wearing the Otara gear, and I'm just wearing, you know, some of the gear that they do on the side besides
their merch,
their merch,
So both their merch.
Yeah. So it says No Limits. This is one of sort of the old school ones. You guys might see some bit of cracks, but yeah, shows how loyal I am.
And I'm wearing the 274.
I'm with a brief.
It doesn't say how with a brief.
But we know for sure.
Yeah, 274 original Otara. Check them out. Poly business, please fam, support our poly businesses out there. Whether they're small or getting bigger, just carry on, continue supporting.
100%. It doesn't hurt, man. Honestly, it doesn't hurt.
Good material.
Yeah, see, I mean, I've had this for years, man. And shout out to Kulcha and to everyone that, you know, requested and all that jazz. But yeah, let's go. Also, this track dropped 10 years ago, just in case you guys are wondering. Ooh. Boys to Men vibes. When you walk down the street and you find your true love or something. I don't know.
What street are you walking down?
I don't know. Some Love Island or something.
Who's your love? Gives me colour me bad vibes. The way they're dressing.
Yeah. Like the visuals look like what's that? On a Sunday afternoon, like the colour. But then, yeah, I don't know. Oh, sorry, stop. I'm gonna stop pausing. I love it already. Oh, even the clicks too. Yeah. Hey, son.
I think I've heard it before.
I really thought that our love was supposed to last forever and ever. And all the things that you
I remember all those times.
to make love, and all the things that you used to do to me, yeah. Oh baby, there's nothing I can do is gonna stop me from loving you. Never had love all so fine, baby, like yours and mine. My love, I promise to love you, baby, with all my heart.
Damn. Yeah, definitely got those old school Backstreet Boys and all that type of vibe for me. Damn, what do you think so far, man?
It's nice.
I really like it. Like, oh man, their voices are really good. Like, I wouldn't have thought they were like, you know, poly or anything. I would have just thought they were like Filipino.
I might have seen them one day and then probably try to ask me out, but I fobbed them off.
Oh, and then I came lost.
Next.
Damn, I really like this vibe. Damn! It's sort of like, the song sort of reminds me of the first track we reacted to. Just how slow, that slow love song type of thing. Fly girl. It's gonna be stuck in my head. Someone do a sample of the song and it'll be badass. Especially someone from Sydney, but just not a drill song,
I was so much for you, baby, that I would cry forever just to be with you.
Wish someone cry for me.
These words are right for you, baby. So much, I pray to God, I hope you see. Oh, baby, there's nothing I can do. It's gonna stop me from loving you, my girl, my girl. I never had love oh so fine, baby, like yours and mine, my girl, my girl. I promise to love
Sketches.
baby with all my heart. Yeah, baby. I never knew a love like this before.
Oh, I have to add this in
You are
there.
my fly girl, who I adore. The times we shared, the love we made, my sweet lady, my pretty baby. I can't imagine life without you. You know that so much. I pray to God I'll always be true to you. Just let me show you how I feel. Something you know about me, baby. So listen up. There's nothing I can do. It's gonna stop me from loving you.
Maya.
Okay.
You want to rewind?
Baby, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah. I promise to love you, baby, with all my heart.
I have to add that in there.
That was nice.
Like, I feel like it's not a 90s song or like a that type of genre if you don't have like that whoo, like a high note or something. Damn, what do you think, Mama?
Oh, it's nice. I mean, if we watched this and not knowing that they're from Sydney, I would have thought, oh, they must be from America.
Yeah,
Back in the day.
especially the look, like it looks like a really good clip for a clip, you know, like.
And another thing was, who would have thought back in those days that, like, 20 years down the track, there'll be 4K TVs and I mean the quality. You look back on it now, the videos from back in the days, the quality.
For you guys,
Can't believe
like
it was
the
a big
bad.
thing for us back then, but man,
That just shows the journey of TV from then to now. Like, yeah, I can imagine the future, like what it's gonna look. It's probably gonna be like 3D as. Damn. But yeah.
it's nice. It definitely gave me that vibe, like Boys to Men.
Yeah.
The way they dressed and just the singing too.
And
the
the
voices.
dancing, the angles.
Yeah, and then the talking bit.
Yeah.
Boys
Yeah.
to Men.
It can't be like that type of genre. They have to have talking in the song. They have to have that high pitch. Woo. Like it's just typical, you know, like
almost
R&B.
Heavily American influence there.
Yeah, it feels like
America
it,
has an influence on a lot of music here in Southern Hemisphere.
Damn, I really love it. The harmonies, like it just makes me like I would love to listen to it on headphones or like speaker. Like I just want to go for a drive and like, you know, reminisce about the good old days when me and my gums, you know, whereas
You and your, you and your gums. You and your gums hanging out your mouth.
Yeah, these gums. Good old times.
Yeah.
Damn.
So nice. It's nice to listen back. I mean, this goes back a bit, a fair bit.
And like, I didn't expect, you know, like, because we know a lot of, you know, old school artists from, indeed, because we know we've grown up in New Zealand, and obviously we sort of just stuck with the music around there. Never really thought about, you know, like Australia having poly artists or bands like this. So that's really cool. Like, I'm really shook right now.
And to make it even better, they're polys. Yeah.
I'm really conflicted. Like, I really like it, but it's like not like a wow. It's like nice and chill. Like, I guess I have the same vibe as you.
Would have been wow back in the days.
Yeah, 100%.
I mean, especially with the boys singing to the girls, serenading.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, reminds me of the ball proposals these days. Damn. But yeah, I'm not sure what to say, because it's different, because the other 2 songs we sort of knew, or at least one of us knew the song, and this one we just both jumped into it not knowing what it was. But yeah, I feel.
But thank you for requesting.
Yeah, thank you for like opening our eyes up to this group, because I don't think we would have ever.
Yeah, because I never even knew there was an R&B group, poly group in Australia at the time.
Because who knows, they might have played on the radio, but I was just like,
there's probably a lot more that we don't know about.
Yeah, 100%.
So fams, starting next week for a whole month, we'll be just checking on a little twist to our Throwback Thursdays. We won't get into too much details, but we won't be accepting any more requests.
For about a month or so.
Yeah. We were supposed to react to one that was requested during last week, Throwback Thursday, but don't worry, we're just holding it back for next month. So next month is just going to be a bit of a twist to it.
Yeah.
Just a tribute to our OGs.
Yeah.
Our OGs.
Our OGs. And hopefully your OGs too. But yeah, guys, we're gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction to Kulcha. If this is the first time you've heard of them as well, definitely go check them out. I love their vibe, so I'll definitely be checking them out. This is definitely my type of music. So yeah, I'll be checking out the other stuff.
Don't forget, fams, please, PolyMovement. Check out
Stunner.
Poly Business Stunner. Support our poly businesses. Doesn't hurt. Even if you share it on your social media, awesome.
I'll have it in the description box too for you guys to check out.
The more people that know of our poly businesses, the better.
100%, man. Much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!